Hey, it's Gina with WTI. I love getting a close, clean shave, and I found that using a razor with 5 blades really gives me exactly what I'm looking for. My husband and I both have Gillette handles. I have a Fusion handle and he has a ProGlide handle, and we got these authentic Gillette replacement cartridges for our handles. The bundle that I got comes with 10 Fusion replacement cartridges and 2 ProGlide replacement cartridges. Now, the awesome thing is that even though we have Fusion and ProGlide handles, we can interchange them and use them with either the ProGlide or the Fusion cartridges. So I really like that. The ProGlide cartridge comes with a lubrication strip, and that makes for a really smooth shave. Now, I use my razor to shave my legs and under my arms, and I go through a cartridge about every month. We really like these cartridges and rely on them for that nice clean shave, and that's our point of view.